5 signs that you're not drinking enough water. Nothing is refreshing in this world more than a cold glass of water. However, more than 75% of the world's population suffers from chronic dehydration. People take this liquid for granted and probably never think what would happen if they stopped drinking. When you were a fetus, you comprised 95% of water for the first month of existence. As an adult, your body is made up of 70% water. This means that water is important to your physical and mental function. Water transports useful substances and nutrients to different organs of your body, provides energy, strengthens muscles, and lubricates joints. Without enough water, you won't be able to see this video clearly, or your eyes would start to feel itchy, and it can easily annoy you. Your blood vessels and blood clots will start to narrow. It will raise blood pressure, and it can increase the risk of heart attack and stroke. If you're worried, then keep watching this video till the end to know when you're overhydrated or dehydrated. An average person drinks about 264 gallons of water a year. But how much do we actually need? Yeah, that's a good question, because overhydration can occur, but it is very unlikely. So how much fluid does the average healthy adult living in a temperate climate need? According to the U.S. National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine, an adequate daily fluid intake is about 15.5 cups a day for men and about 11.5 cups a day for women. So now that you know how much you need, let's get into signs that you're not drinking enough. Number 1. Your urine is dark. The color of your urine can tell you a lot about your health. If you are hydrated, then your urine should be clear and not yellow. If yours is medium yellow, dark yellow, or orange, it's probably because your body isn't getting enough water, so your urine is more concentrated. Less water intake means you'll have to go less often to the bathroom, so peeing under 4 times a day is also a sign of dehydration. Number 2. Your mouth and lips are dry. When you're dehydrated, saliva production decreases, which means you don't have enough fluid in your body to produce the saliva you need. A dry mouth can also make your breath stink because bacteria have the chance to stay longer when it's not being washed away. And here's a quick tip to check how your breath smells to others. Just lick your wrist and smell. If it stinks, then you know what to do. Number 3. You have a headache. Experts believe that when hydration levels drop, so does blood volume, which leads to lower blood flow to the brain. This reduces the brain's oxygen supply, leading to headaches and even lightheadedness. This can be a reason why you feel dizzy and you may pass out in the summer. As it gets worse, your thirst cranks up. Your breathing and heart rate may be faster than normal. You can overheat, and you might also feel confused. Number 4. Your skin is dry. Water is essential for desirable hydrated skin. Dehydrated skin also means that your skin is lacking water. It can be dry and itchy and perhaps dull looking too. When your body's tank is low and using all the water available for basic functions, your overall skin tone may appear uneven and fine lines are more visible. Over time, it can lead to dryness. Number 5. Your eyes are dry. By now, it should be clear that drinking water affects more than just your mouth and throat. Lack of water intake leads to dry, bloodshot eyes. Without water, your tear ducts dry up, and this can cause much more harm to your eyes, especially if you wear contacts every day. So what do you drink most during the day? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, click subscribe, and share this valuable video with your friends to help them stay healthy. See you in our next video.